This is Classic Car Expo channel. In this video, I will show you an American classic car priced between $30,000 and $90,000 in 2024. Modern cars often look quite similar, while there are some difference in body design and features like tail lights. But if the classic cars, they have the light character. So, here are some benefits of owning a classic car. First is, they are timelessly cool. A well-maintained classic car always catch people's eyes. The same cannot be said for last year's model. So, if you want to stand out and make a lasting impression, a classic car is just the ticket. Second, they retain their value. Unlike a brand new car which loses value as soon as you drive it off the lot, but for a classic car, it still can retain the value for much longer. In many cases, a well-maintained classic car can actually increase in value over time. Third is, they are cheaper to insure. Generally, older cars cost less to insure. You can check your insurance provider for specific, but you are likely to find out that your monthly premiums are lower than what you are used to. Fourth is, it is better for the environment. The frames and the body of most older cars were built to last, so the regular maintenance can keep them running efficiently. So if you are looking for a unique, valuable and enjoyable car, you can consider investing in a classic car. Thanks for watching.